box.
When we hit 100 subscribers, this will be the big thank you video. 2 unboxings.
Thank you video.
in one.
2 boxes in one. Yeah, because this is gonna be interesting. And the thing with unboxings, right, is this is not interesting. Like,
You can make it interesting.
no, because you need the box to be interesting, because that's the point. You have to have an interesting box with interesting content. And instead it's like, oh, it's a brown box with packing tape, and it's gonna be like lug nuts or some shit. It's just opposite of interesting. See? Look at how not interesting this is.
Is your penis pump come?
My penis pump, yes. Yes. Isn't this addressed to you? It's addressed to a party, unfortunately, so no. Is this it? Is it just stacks of magnets?
I guess.
For what purpose?
Magnetizing?
Does the test group need it or something? Do we keep this or do we chuck it?
What do you want to do?
Someone else's bucket. These are pretty cool though, I guess. I mess with them.
Alright, let's move on to the review portion.
The review portion, it's magnets
What
that...
kind of magnets?
What? I don't know. Am I a magnet expert? They're magnets that look like they'd be fun to mess with, but are probably useless. It's like those ball and stick magnets that you can get when you're like 5, in like the different colors. I still have a few of those and just screw with them because why not? Is this your tripod?
Oh, we'll see.
Wow.
Could be a camping chair.
It comes in a bag. It's such high quality. So are you gonna like put the camera tripod on a tripod? And this is just getting sent back?
No.
No? You're keeping it?
Yeah.
Why?
I can't be using these cheap tripods with no levels on them.
This has a level?
How much was that?
$20.
What is this for?
To hang stuff on?
To hang stuff on your tripod? Oh, I guess it extends, doesn't it?
To weight it.
You can weight tripods. Ah, that makes
Doesn't
sense.
fall over.
Yeah, that's true. No, this is a tripod. Here you go.
What brand's tripod?
Do I look like...
It's probably on the side of the...
Holy shit. It's Amazon Basics. It's an Amazon branded tripod.
What kind of level does it have?
Well, what's a level? Is this a level?
I don't know.
I thought you were the photography guy. Are you not?
This is your video.
No, it's not. It's their video. I'm just the poor victim.
How does the pen tilt head feel?
The pen tilt head? I don't know. It feels a bit loose, to be honest. Would have been nice if it wasn't so
How many
loose.
degrees of freedom are there?
3, right? No, or 2? What is that? What does that count? I think it counts as 2. What is this though? Is this for taking pictures? How does this?
Is that a quick release head?
Maybe. Oh, I broke it. Sorry, Travis.
It's all good.
Yeah. Where do you wanna?
Oh, I'd like your review.
My review is that this is a tripod that probably works, but I don't know because I'm not a camera dude and I wouldn't spend money on this sort of thing.
Does it have 3 feet?
It has 3 feet. Yes, it's a tripod. Do you want to count the feet? 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 feet. Ooh. I bet the feet even extend. Actually, they might not. It might just be bad. Nope. Ooh, look, it's tall and stuff.
How's the build quality feel?
feels like a tripod. I don't know, how much did you pay for this?
$20.
Yeah, it feels like a $20 tripod. I mean, look, I'm holding it up with one hand, so it can't be that heavy, right?
Is that good or bad?
I would say it's good, but you're the camera guy, so you'd know.
You're the reviewer here.
I am the living meme that's doing unboxing videos, sure, but you're the person who actually knows what they're talking about, theoretically. For when you need that sideways camera angle.
Look there.
What is-
level. What kind of level is that? Tell the audience.
What is a level? Oh shit, that's a level. It's a standard bubble level. Huh. Cool. Are we done now?